Hi everybody, today we're going to start a new chapter. It's the chapter 4A, and as you can see, these are the objectives, and so we're going to talk about a second way of talking about the past. We have learned already that one way is called the preterite. Today, we're going to start talking about another way of talking about the past that's called imperfect. So we're going to talk about regulars and irregulars in the imperfect tense. And in this chapter also, we're going to talk more deeply on indirect. We're going to touch deeply on indirect object pronouns. So if you click on your vocab right here, you'll see you will see the vocab list that we have for this chapter. And then what we're going to do today is we're going to practice with the vocab. And so you're going to click on the page called Práctica con el vocabulario right here. Práctica con el vocabulario. And I want you to work on A, B, and then on the second page also A and B. And the last thing that we are going to do today is we're going to work on texto página 186. So for this, texto página 186, for this I want you to read silently all this dialogue here. And as usual, you see the highlighted words are in the vocab of the chapter. Now take a look at this little word here. It's called the imperfect. This is one verb that is conjugated in the imperfect tense, era. When you are done reading, the 2 pages, you start with this one right here, and then you move to the right hand side and continue reading this and this, all these little sentences and dialogues. When you're done doing that, you're going to scroll down and you are going to work on this activity. Actividad número 1, los juguetes favoritos. And what you're doing here is an audio. So look what it says. Click on the link to hear the audio and choose what toy is each child describing. Use your vocabulary list for chapter 4A. And so this blue text here, the blue box that has the text that says click to hear the audio, you click on that one, and that is where you're going to start listening to some kids describing a specific toy. So what you need to do is you're going to pick what toy is each of these guys describing. So it's the last toy is number 6, and so that's the last thing that you're going to do today. And as usual, I will check your work as your classwork by 9 p.m. tonight. Okay, I hope you have a great Monday, and I will talk to you soon.